Today's adventure, we're gonna go look for some wild horses out on the Pony Express Highway. These guys are like, it's the we're out by Simpson Springs. They're known as the Onaqui Mountain Wild Horse Herd. Onaqui, is that how you say it? Onaqui. I've only figured out how to say it based off the spelling. Onaqui. Anyway, we've been coming out here for like 8 years, 8 or 9 years.
A long time.
Always fun to see what they're doing, see how the herd's doing, see what kind of little ponies are out.
We watched a lot of them grow up from babies.
Yeah, it's always fun to see. But the road getting out here, you know, it's a long one. But for the most part, you know, if it's not rainy, then you're good to go.
Yeah, it's a good road.
Heck yeah. So let's go see if we can find them. There's a couple of different herds. Quite a few different herds, actually. A couple of main big ones, but
it's baby season. Maybe we'll see some babies.
That's right. That's the hope. So let's see what we see. Well, it didn't take that long, but I think we see a massive herd up here. But when you're looking way across the desert and you just see little black dots, you don't know till you get there, because there are cattle out here too.
Yeah.
The ranchers get here, but how spread out they are in the area that we're at. We've seen some there. There's a handful of cars out here.
It's like 2 or 3.
It's a good day to be out here.
Yeah, it definitely looks like them. For sure.
Yep. Pretty close to the road, which is good. Then you just sit in your car. You don't even have to get out.
Yeah.
Because there are some rules out here. They want you to stay like, I think it's 100 yards away. But it's one of those things, you know, you don't want to disturb them too much. They're pretty
used to people.
They're used to people, but you know, they're wild animals, so make sure you're just not doing stupid stuff.
Just don't try to pet them.
Yeah.
They won't let you get close enough to pet them, but don't try to pet them.
Yeah, don't try.
Especially if there's babies. Oh, look at the cow babies.
Baby cows.
Like, look like chocolate ice cream.
There's a lot more cars out here now. There they are. Look at that little herd.
Here, hold Silver.
Okay. It's kind of grazing. Gee, which way are they going? Are they coming this?
There's some rowdies in the background.
Yeah, there's a lot of people out here. This is the most I've seen out here in a while.
There's one baby.
Well,
it's the older baby, but
let's at least zip over there because we can get a little closer to them, and then we can move around. So
you can find this. It's so good, but it's a hard flavor to find.
Oh, no ads in here, man.
I'm just saying, it's good. Now I saw where they are too, because you follow the poop.
Yes, piles of poop everywhere.
Yeah. They all like to poop in the same place.
How many would you say? Well, at least, I don't know, 50 to 100, but they're getting
more than 50 for sure.
Yeah.
Probably easily 100 anyway.
Alright, should we get out and
yeah, please stop so I can see.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna get out. At least get my tripod out. Actually, I don't need a tripod, I got this thing right here. Shoot from the window. Duh. That's why I made this thing. Look at them all kicking.
Oh, there's a brand new baby out there. Bunch of yearlings being rowdy.
Oh, I need my extender too.
That new one's pretty. It's gonna be like probably a buckskin color.
They're going there. Definitely playing out there, man.
So there's 3 babies.
Active. It's funny, it's like the cows are like, what do we do? It's all these cars. Oh, look at the action behind the cows.
Hey, sweetheart. There's a tank right over here. Yep.
What is up?
Smile.
How's it going?
Good.
Hi.
Yes? How's it going? And I got my wife.
Hi.
It's funny, out here in the desert, running into some photographers I know. That's how it goes. They're kind of moving closer to that other road where we were just at, so we're gonna turn around here. Pull down your window for a second. We're gonna head back that way. We're gonna go back that way because it looks like they're moving that way. Austin Powers turn there. 100-point turn.
Yeah.
Well, that was pretty easy finding them. So now we'll just get out and see what we get today here. They have since spread, like a little clear over there, they're kind of fighting, maybe. But they're spread on both sides of the road. They were just over on one side, but since we left, came back and went across. We're just hoping to see if there's any action. Totally is.
Oh yeah.
Oh, come on.
Yikes. Well.
Yep, that guy's getting it on way over there. So that's a little more graphic than
Yeah.
I need to see.
Nope.
So we're just here shooting.
Oh, shooting the horses.
Oh, here comes the sneaker. It's a sassy one. Look at that one right behind the baby, that gray one. Is his face all like scarred up? Yeah, that light gray one is behind. Not this side, but the other side. Yeah, that guy looks all coming right at me. You should get that Osmo out, man. Right here next to the truck. That guy's got a nasty injury. That's not good for him. I think the side of his face, I really want to see the side of his face. It's brutal. Well, they came pretty dang close, walked right in front of the truck. Hadn't right for me, I had to get out of the way.
Brand new little baby with them.
Yeah, the little baby was them. Thought one of them had rolled over on it. Just because of the distance, we couldn't quite tell. Kind of scary for a second, but then one, when I saw it out there, it looked like, I don't know, a big wound on its face. I'll have to look at the video.
His leg was all torn open.
And his leg,
He's had some.
It's got some pus coming out, so I feel for that one. It's always fun watching and seeing how they grow up and to see what happens. So, all right, on to the next adventure. What's that going to be?
Find my purse that I left somewhere yesterday.
Okay, that's where we're heading. That one won't be as exciting. Anyway, thanks again for watching.
Okay.
Hope you enjoyed it. And let's see, what's our sign off going to be?
Wes and Markai signing out.
Sign out like a. How about this one?